What you're seeing right now is a faceless video style that's currently going viral. And it's ridiculously simple. I know it doesn't look like much, just stick figures, but some of these videos are pulling millions of views. And the craziest part? Most people are completely ignoring it. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, but more importantly, why it works. Once you understand that part, you can literally recreate it yourself, even if you've never animated anything in your life. So recently, I started noticing a pattern. These faceless videos kept popping up. Black background, simple stickman characters, almost dark storytelling. At first I thought, okay, just another trend. But then I looked closer. These weren't just getting views, they were getting watched. And that's when I realized something. This isn't about animation. It's not even about editing. It's about how the story makes you feel, because when you watch these videos, it doesn't feel like you're watching content. It feels like it's happening to you. There are channels using this exact format, and some of their first videos crossed over 2 million views. When you pause the video and look at it, it's literally just a stick figure standing there. No complex animation, no crazy effects. So clearly something else is going on. This is the part most people miss. They think the niche is stickman animation. But that's not the niche. The real niche is POV storytelling, where the viewer becomes the main character. Instead of watching a story, you're inside it. That's why the titles are always like, your life at every rank in prison. What it's like to never sleep again. Your life if you became invisible. Notice something? It always starts with you. Because the moment you say you, the brain stops observing and starts imagining. Now it's not just content anymore, it's an experience. And when people feel like they're part of something, they don't click off, they stay. This is where it gets interesting. Coming up with these ideas might seem hard, but it's actually very simple. You don't need to be creative, you just need the right structure. Most viral ideas in this niche follow a pattern. They mix curiosity with discomfort. For example, what happens if you stop sleeping? Your life at different intelligence levels, what it feels like to lose your memory slowly. These ideas make people think, wait, what would that actually feel? And once that question enters their mind, they need an answer. When it comes to writing the script, most people write it like a story, but instead you have to write it like an experience. So instead of saying, a man wakes up in a strange place, you say, you wake up and something feels off. It's personal. Now the viewer is inside the scene. Every line should feel like it's happening right now. Now let's talk about the visuals, because this is where people overthink everything. You don't need detailed animation. You don't need advanced skills. In fact, the simplicity is what makes it work. A stick figure walking, a stick figure sitting. That's all you need, because the visuals are not the focus. They just support the story. The real focus is what's happening in the viewer's mind. When you step back and look at everything, you realize this niche isn't hard. It just looks different, which is why most people ignore it. But the ones who understand it are taking advantage of it right now. So if you've been waiting for the perfect idea, this might be it. Not because it's easy, but because it works. And if you're actually serious about starting this, I'll show you how to make these videos step by step and the exact free tools to use. Just comment growth, and I'll make that video next.